Alrighty. Yo! GR Yaris, love it. MR2, BMW. Pulling up to Healesville after a fairly uneventful cruise over. Not mad though, you know, it's good to get out, good to cruise with a little convoy. I think there are like 4 or 5 cars here who've broken off from the group because that's just what happens when you convoy with more than a few people. I don't know, if there's a park, I'll grab a coffee or something and I'll decide there whether it's worth sticking around or just heading back. How you doing, mate?
Yeah, good, yourself?
Good, love the BMW. What was your name?
Thank you, Kieran.
Kieran.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Are you in the, oh, what's it called?
The cruise.
Yeah.
Steak and mushroom pie. Steak and mushroom pie. Both men of great taste. Alright, we have another steak and mushroom joining the ranks. Big things. Cheers. Oh yeah, cheers. Cheers, boys. Look at these guys. That's hilarious. Got the seniors just egging on these young bucks. That is no fun, hey.
You say you got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.